Greetings. It is, I believe it's part 12, Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series, artwork number 50, the martyrdom by gun rights embracing Christian evangelicals of 16-year-old Japanese high school exchange student Yoshi Hattori, who was shot to death, murdered by a homeowner who got away with it. After Hattori had knocked on his door, he and an American student were looking for a Halloween party in the city of New Orleans, in Louisiana in 1992. So we have 3 allegorical sea monsters in addition to my memorial portrait of Yoshi there. We have a gun rights genocide sea monster here. We have an anti-faith, anti-child, pro-death gun rights sea monster here. And we have a gun terrorism sea monster there. It's kind of like a loose sketch of a Magnum 44 and bullets. So Magnum 44 was used to shoot Mr. Hattori to death. And the assailant got away with it.